on this computer. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome everyone. Today, inshallah, what we have today, we have chemical energetics. Chemical energetics. It's very, very easy topic and a lot of the questions in paper 2, in paper 4 about this part. Okay? What we have to study in this topic, I'm going to talk about chemical energetics. Chemical energetics, energy of the chemical reaction. Chemical energetics. That's okay? In the chemical reaction, if there is, for example, a reaction between oxygen and water and hydrogen to form water. Okay, oxygen and the hydrogen to form water. What about this reaction? This reaction release energy or gain energy from the surrounding. For example, cooking. You know cooking? When you start to make food in your kitchen, cooking.
Yes.
In your point of view, cooking need energy or give you energy? When you start cooking, okay, you have to supply
Need energy.
need energy. So we have to need energy. When you start to play, if you need to play a football, you must have energy to play. Yes. If you need to break down something, you need energy to break down something. But for example, if you add sodium plus hydrogen to form sodium hydroxide, what I did, I added sodium plus hydrogen to form sodium hydroxide, and suddenly I feel hot, energy given out. What does it mean? So I have two different kinds of chemical reaction. Some chemical reactions release energy to the surrounding. Some chemical reactions, like cooking, need energy from the surrounding. It's okay? So in chemical energetics, we will study two main parts. Number one is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. This is a reaction which releases energy to the surrounding. Number two, we will study endothermic reaction. This reaction cannot take place without heating, without supplying of energy. So this is endothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, there is a definition, okay, and the 2 mark for this definition in paper 4. What is the definition of exothermic reaction? Is energy, the reaction which release energy. Okay, you said energy, but as you know, from grade 4 and 5, we have different kinds of energy. Electrical energy, sound energy. I said here energy. Which kind of energy? Which release thermal energy. So you must write thermal, okay? To surrounding. Reaction which release thermal energy to surrounding. Endothermic reaction is the opposite. Is a reaction which taking thermal energy from surrounding. Okay, so here I have 2 definitions and 2 mark for each one. If I ask you question, if I'm asking you question, if you have a cup of water here, you have a cup of water, everyone write your answer in the chat box, please. I have cup of water here. It's okay. Here I have water. and I start to heat this cup of water. I start to heat this cup of water. So as you know, water will convert from liquid state to be gas state. That's okay? In your opinion, in your chat box, is it exo or endothermic? This reaction.
Water
Exo,
ولا
no, the reaction here.
okay.
I supply heat for the cup of water. To detect is it exo or endo, ask yourself a question. The reaction take in energy or release energy to the surrounding. I said here, I supply fire. So the cup of water take energy, take heat energy. So this is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. It's okay? So put in your mind, I need from you to understand the concept. Okay? Endothermic reaction, this is a reaction which need energy. Without energy cannot take place. But exothermic reaction, this is a reaction which release energy to the surrounding. For example, burning of wood, burning of paper, for example, burning of wood, any burning. If Tariq Hatim, for example, he is standing here, this is Tariq Hatim, okay? He will feel hot or cold here. What's your opinion? Who can tell me?
Yes.
You will feel hot or cold?
Hot.
Hot. So burning of paper release energy, yes, so that you feel hot. So this is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So the summary of I need to say exothermic, you know the word exit. You know the word exit.
Yes.
It is a place you can go out. Yes. So that exothermic, it means energy go out. So it release energy to the surrounding. Okay. So now I'm going to share a video for you to understand the difference between exo and endothermic reaction. That's okay? So put in your mind, exothermic release energy. Energy go out, go to the exit. So we said exo. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to share my video. So everyone, kindly make sure you can see the video now. Everyone can see the video?
Yes.
That's okay.
Some chemical reactions like
What about the sound of the video? The sound is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start.
some chemical reactions like this one gives off heat. Others like photosynthesis.
So, in your opinion, guys, in your opinion, this reaction, exo or endo? Look,
Excellent.
Exothermic.
look. This gives out fire. Exothermic reaction. Oh my God, exothermic reaction. Yes. Why exothermic? Because it's release thermal energy to the surrounding. Okay? Okay.
Some chemical reactions like this one gives off heat. Others like photosynthesis absorb heat. Welcome to Moo Math and Science in exothermic and endothermic reactions. A chemical reaction in which energy is released is called an exothermic reaction. Exo means exit and thermo meaning heat or energy. An exothermic reaction can give off energy in several forms, including heat and light. The energy released in an exothermic reaction is sometimes written as a product in a chemical equation. Take a look.
You can see here, sodium plus chlorine to produce sodium chloride and energy. So it releases energy. Okay, so this is exothermic reaction.
تمام.
Take a look. An exochemical reaction can also be thought of as a downhill reaction because the products have less energy than the reactants. As a result, energy is released. An endothermic reaction is a reaction in which energy is taken in. Endo means to go in. The energy that is taken in during an endothermic reaction is sometimes written as a reactant in the chemical reaction.
You can see here, okay, we see the plus energy. So the reaction need energy. So this is endothermic.
تمام.
An example of an endothermic reaction is an ice pack. When you mix the pack, the chemicals mix and heat is absorbed and the pack gets cold to the touch. An endothermic reaction can be thought of as an uphill reaction because the reactants have less energy than the product. The reactants need heat or energy for the reaction to occur from the surroundings. Remember, kindness multiplies kindness, and thank you for watching.
Is it clear? You understood the difference between exo and endothermic?
Yes.
Now, in this part of our session, I need from you to understand what is the meaning of exo and endo. Just so. Another one. Anyone have any question? Type. Okay, another video. 3, 2, 1, start.
Depending on the absorption or evolution of heat energy, we can classify reactions into two types: exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction describes a process that releases energy in the form of heat. Burning of fuel is exothermic. Endothermic reaction describes a process that absorbs energy in the form of heat. Melting of ice and evaporation of water are endothermic. Let us look at a few examples of exothermic reactions. Take a matchbox and strike the matchstick on its side. The matchstick burns, giving out a lot of heat. Let's watch this dramatic example of an exothermic reaction. The dehydration of sugar with concentrated sulfuric acid. Let's take some sugar in a beaker. Add 8 to 10 drops of water to the sugar in the beaker and stir it well with glass rod to moisten it. Now measure 30 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid in a measuring jar and add the acid to sugar. Stir quickly. See that acid covers sugar. Stand back and observe. Sugar starts changing color and finally turns black and rises in a column, releasing steam and a pungent smelling gas. The black mass left behind is sugar charcoal, a form of pure carbon. This dehydration process is a highly exothermic reaction, turning water content to steam. It's time to look at some endothermic reactions now. As you know, these reactions absorb heat energy. Look at how an egg is fried on a pan. When we break an egg on a heated pan, heat is absorbed by the egg and the liquid parts turn solid. Remember, it is always not necessary to have a dip in temperature, but many endothermic reactions require constant supply of heat till the reaction gets over. Let us understand another reaction where there is absorption of heat. Pour about 50 ml of vinegar into a beaker. Place a thermometer in it and note down the temperature. Now carefully add 2 or 3 spoons full of baking powder into vinegar. Instantaneous reaction with brisk effervescence takes place and the solution almost fills the beaker. Stir the solution and note the temperature at the end of the reaction. During this reaction, heat is absorbed and temperature reduces. Therefore, the reaction of baking powder with vinegar is an endothermic reaction. Observe some reactions taking place in your everyday life and classify them as endothermic or exothermic reactions.
Just okay? Is it clear now? Any question about exo and endo? Okay. Now let's start calculations. This is just introduction about the topic. What is the main part of the topic? Here is a chemical reaction between hydrogen and chlorine to form 2HCl. That's okay? And I'm asking you, is it exo or endothermic reaction? Is it exo or endothermic reaction? Attention with me, please, because I'm going to start to explain this example, then I will give you questions. How can you know this is exo or endothermic reaction? Actually, we have to find and calculate something is called delta H. Delta H triangle and the letter H beside it. This is called delta H. You have to find delta H for the reaction. Delta H means enthalpy change. Enthalpy change. What does it mean? Enthalpy change is a change in the energy of the reaction. How can you find delta H for this reaction? First of all, you must write the reactant and the product with bond. H2 write as H bond H. This is H2, yes? But I will write H bond H plus Cl2, I will write Cl bond Cl. It's okay? Arrow. It will produce 2HCl. Here is 2. HCl means H bond Cl. H bond Cl. Okay? How can you find delta H of the reaction? Delta H, both this is in your mind, delta H of any reaction, delta H of any reaction equal energy in minus energy out. Energy in minus energy out. What is energy in? Energy in is the energy of the reactant. Ashraf, yes? What's your question?
مستر كنت عايز أعرف هي ليه بقت 1 كلورين اللي هي لسه 2 كلورين.
No, here is Cl2. So I wrote Cl bond Cl. I have 2 Cl here. So
لا في البرودكت قصدي.
In the product 2 HCl. What does it mean HCl? H bond Cl. H bond Cl.
أصل شفتها ال 2 كانت مع ال H لوحدها.
No. 2 at the beginning means the whole compound. 2 HCl. It means 2 at the beginning, and here I have H bond Cl. Okay?
Okay, تمام.
So how can you find this reaction exo or endo? From this rule. This is the golden rule you must put in your mind. Delta H equal energy in minus energy out. What is energy in? It is the energy of the reactant. What is energy out? It is the energy of the product. Actually, the examiner will give you the value. H bond H, the value of H bond H, 436 kilojoule. Cl bond Cl, Cl bond Cl, 242 kilojoule. It's very easy, wallahi. It's very easy. The value of H bond Cl equal H bond Cl 431 kilojoule. Someone may ask me a question. What is this? Mister, I have to memorize this value? No, no. This value will be in the exam. Okay? With each question, the examiner will give you the value of each bond. That's okay? Start. Okay. Now I'm going to start to find energy in. I'm going to find energy in. I said, what is energy in? It is the energy of the reactant. Okay, energy in. So here is energy in. Equal. Start from the beginning. What I have here, H bond H. What is the value of H bond H?
436.
436. So I write 436 plus. What I have else here, Cl bond Cl. What is the value of Cl bond Cl? 242. So I will write 242. Do you have any reactant else? No. That's okay. So H bond H, 436 plus Cl bond Cl, 242. From where I can get this number? From the table. With each question, the examiner will provide you with the value of each bond. So
678.
678 kilojoule. So this is what? This is energy in. What is energy in? It's the energy of the reactant. Energy of the reactant. It's okay? Here, what I have to do now? Energy out.
Yeah.
Yes. What is energy out? It is the energy of the product. Only 2 HCl. This is the product. Do you have any product else? No. It's only 2 HCl. So here I have to write energy out. E out. Let's go to the product. Don't forget, you have 2 here. Yes? So you must write 2.
Yes.
So 2
Line.
multiply. How many bond do you have here?
2 bonds.
No. How many bond?
One bond.
H bond Cl. So I will write 1. Someone will ask me, why you wrote 2 here? Because there is 2 at the beginning here. Why you wrote 1? Because here I have H bond Cl. I have only 1 bond. Okay? Then multiply. What is the value of this bond? H bond Cl. What is the value?
431.
431. So when you start multiplication, what is the result? 8
62.
62 kilojoule. Now the reaction, now the question is finished. Why? Start delta H equal energy in minus energy out. Energy in is 678. Okay? 678 minus energy out what? 862. What is the result? Who can tell me?
Minus
Subtraction.
184.
Minus 184
Minus 184.
kilojoule. What you noticed here, the value is negative or positive?
Negative.
So this is exothermic reaction. If the value is negative, so this is exothermic reaction. Got it?
ولو positive يبقى endothermic.
Of course, yes. So this is exothermic reaction. Ashraf, yes, your question?
أنا ما فهمتش مصر إحنا في ال
In
E out عملنا
English يا أشرف. Talk in
Okay.
English.
In the E out I didn't understand why we did 2 times 1.
Okay, 2 here because I have 2 at the beginning, okay? Because it's already in the question. Multiply, how many bond here?
1 bond.
H bond Cl. So I wrote 1. What is the value of this bond? H bond Cl. What is the value?
431.
So that I wrote like this, okay?
يعني الفاليو دي هيكونوا مدينها لنا في الكويشن.
The value will be in the question, yes.
اوكي تمام.
Okay?
اوكي.
I will solve another question. Kausar, yes? Kausar?
What is enthalpy change? Is it the same as delta H?
What again?
What is enthalpy change?
Delta H. The name of delta H is enthalpy change. Enthalpy change.
And this tells whether a reaction is exothermic.
No, if finally, after subtraction, energy in minus energy out, if the final result is negative, so this is exothermic reaction. This is your question or what? Kausar? Kausar?
I understand.
Kausar, this is your question or what?
Yes. That was my
So
question.
forget enthalpy change. Delta H. It's delta H. Okay. Can I solve another question with you?
Yes.
Okay. Another question. After that, I will give you millions of questions to start to solve. So put in your mind delta H equal energy in minus energy out. Okay. Another question. Then I will share a question for everyone. Here I have a reaction decomposition of ammonia, 2NH3, 2NH3, N bond H, here bond H, and here bond H. It will produce N triple bond N. Nitrogen, N2, plus 3H2. And the examiner asking me, this is exo or endothermic reaction. I said before, it's a very easy topic. Okay? The value of N bond H, it will be in the question. Yes, no need to memorize the value. N bond H is 391. 391. The value of N triple bond N, triple bond means 3 bonds together. N triple bond N, it's 1 block. N triple bond N, 1 block. Okay. The value of N triple bond N is 946. 946. Okay. Finally, H bond H. H bond H. H bond H is 436. This is the question. Is it exo or endo? The first step, I have to write delta H equal, remember, delta H equal what?
Equal energy in minus energy out.
Delta H equal energy in
Minus energy out.
minus energy out. This is the first step. Okay. Number 2, I have to start to find energy in.
Low reactant.
Energy in. Energy in, it means energy of the reactant. Who is the reactant here? 2NH3. This is only, yes? So start. I have 2 here at the beginning. So you have to write 2, multiply. How many bonds you have? 1,
3.
2, 3 bonds. يبقى 2 multiply 3. Multiply the value of each bond. N bond H. What is the value of N bond H? It's 391. So you have to write like this. 2. I'll start step by step with you, okay? 2. Why, Mr. You wrote 2? Because there is 2 here at the beginning. Multiply. How many bond do you have here in the bond H? 1, 2, 3 bond. So 2 multiply 3. Multiply. What is the value of each bond in the bond H? 391. So multiply 391. Huh? Who can give me the result?
2, 3, 4, 6.
2, 3, 4, 6.
2, 3, 4, 6 kilojoule. 2, 3, 4, 6 kilojoule. Got it? Everyone got it? Any question here? Again, I wrote 2 here because 2 in the question. Multiply. How many bond? 3 bond. Multiply. What is the value of each bond? 391. From where you can get this value? From the question. It will be in the question. Okay? This is energy in. Okay. Now I'm going to find energy out. I'm going to find energy out. How can you find energy out? I said before, energy out means is the energy of the product. The product. N triple bond N plus 3 H bond H. Okay? Start with the first one. N triple bond N. What is the value of N triple bond N?
946.
946. You know what is a common mistake? Common mistake, someone will say, oh, Mr. I will say 3 multiply 946. No, no. N triple bond N, it's one block. One block. The value of N triple bond N, 946. So I write here 946 plus 3 H bond H. Oh, 3 here. Attention, please. Your attention, please. Don't forget to write 2. So I write 2, 3. Sorry, 3. I have 3 here. You must write 3. Multiply. How many bonds do you have?
1.
1. So 3 multiplied by 1. Multiply. What is the value of H bond H?
436.
436. Equal. Who can give me the result?
2254.
2254 kilojoule. That's okay? So again, energy out in the triple bond N is 946 plus. I have a 3 here at the beginning. So write 3. Multiply. I have 1 bond. So I write 1. H bond H. The value of H bond H is 436. It's 436. So here is the result. Okay? Who can tell me what I have to do now? I have to subtract energy in minus energy out. So energy in minus energy out equal. Energy in is 2346 minus energy out 2254. What is the result?
92.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
So positive 92
يبقى endothermic.
So this is ex or endo?
Endothermic.
Endothermic reaction. Why? Why endothermic? Because the final result is positive. Endothermic reaction. Got it?
Okay.
Now I'm ready to receive any question, any comment.
Nice, sir.
Yes, English, talk in English.
Okay. In the E out,
Yes.
Why did we do 946, but the 3h, the 3h to the h, we did it 3 times 1 times 456.
Do you have any number here before in the triple bond N?
No.
No. So that in the triple bond N, it's already exists here. In the triple bond N is 946. But here with 3H2, I have number. So you must write this number. So I want 3.
And so only if I have a number before it, I can also multiply it by the number of bonds?
Yes, yes, got it. If you have number at the beginning, write the number, then count how many bonds. It's okay?
Okay.
If you have number at the beginning here, write this number. I wrote 3 here. Then I will count how many bonds? 1. So I wrote 1. What is the value of each bond H? It's already here, 436. Got it?
Yes.
Anyone have any question?
No, thank you, sir.
So it's very easy. Energy in minus energy out. Now I'm going to ask you before I'm going to share my question.
Mister,
Everyone will solve in his paper, then send to my WhatsApp. I'm
Mister.
repeating my yes.
الدلتا اتش اللي هو enthalpy change صح؟
Yes, the name of delta H is enthalpy change.
Okay.
Okay, enthalpy change. So may your brother asking you question. Oh, what is this? What is delta H? What does it mean? Enthalpy change. The name of delta H is enthalpy change. What does it mean? Enthalpy change is the change in the energy of the reaction. Okay. That's okay. Now I'm going to check your understanding of everyone here. I need from everyone to find delta H for this reaction. Delta H for this reaction. Is it exo? It's already exo. He said it's already exo. But I need from you to find delta H. So start in your paper. Everyone kindly solve this question, then tell me, is it exo or endothermic reaction?
مستر
Yes.
ليه حاطط في الكيلو جولز بوزيتيف قبليها؟ هو في نيجاتيف؟
English, yeah, talking English. Don't talk.
Okay.
Yes.
Why is the table of a kilojoule is positive before the number?
Forget the sign here. Forget the sign here. Just find, I will talk about it later, inshallah. But now, tell me the delta H. I need from you to see in your paper, delta H equal energy in minus energy out, then calculation of energy in, then calculation of energy out, then make subtraction. Finally, tell me, is it exo or endo? So everyone in your paper, please solve in your paper, then send. Yes, Mahmoud. Yes. I need to know, this is exo or endo. After that, I will start to solve the question with you, but I need from everyone to write in paper, then send it to me.
Mister,
Yes.
in the energy out, there is C bond C bond C. How can I write it? Can I write C bond C and the closures of this plus C bond?
Actually, in the energy out, you have C bond C, and you have another C bond C. Yes. How many C bond C? How many C bond C?
Number of bonds?
C bond C. Here you have C bond C, and here, attention with me. Here you have C bond C, and here you have C bond C. So you have two bond, yes?
Yes.
C bond C here, and C bond C here. So
Yes.
how many two? What is the value of each one C bond C?
3, 4, 6.
So now you finished C bond C. Next step, you have to count. What are the bonds you have else here? You have C bond H. Count. How many C bond H? I have one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So
Okay.
8 multiply. What is the value of C bond H? Actually, you will break down the compound. Okay? break down the compound into bond. يعني تفصفصه كده. تشوف البوند. Check the bond you have.
Okay, thank you.
طيب. That's okay. Mazen, I don't need X or Endo. I need to see your steps. As you know here, 3 mark for the question. So I need to see your calculations. Send the paper with your calculations. Okay, Kausar. Energy in. C double bond C. Okay. C bond H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. C bond C. That's okay. H bond H. That's okay. Okay. Energy out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mister,
Excellent, yeah, Kausar. Excellent, very
Mister.
good. Thank you. Yes, Tarek. Yes, asking me a question. As you right. Take your time.
Is there any difference between C bond H and H bond C?
No, the same. C bond H is the same H bond C. What is the difference? The same. طيب, that's okay. Imagine I cannot see energy in, I cannot see energy out. I need to see in details energy in and energy out. Ashraf, energy in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiply 4, 1, 5. That's okay. 3, 4, 6. Okay. 6, 1, 0, 1 BC. Energy in, very good, Ashraf. Energy out. 8 multiply. Yes, very good, Ashraf. That's okay. Now Ashraf, Kauthar, Ahmad Ramadan. Ahmad Ramadan, that's okay, Ahmed. Bravo. Ru'a. I think you have a problem, yeah, in your calculations, so I will check it with you. Guys, I need to see your steps. I need to see your paper. I don't need X or Endo. 3 marks for the question. If you write X or Endo only, 1 mark. H bond H 436 plus 436. Why you wrote 436 2 times? Why? 346. Roa, open your mic, please.
Yes, sir.
Why you wrote in energy in? Energy in. You wrote 436 plus 436 plus 436. Why? Why 436?
Because we have the H bond.
436 is the value of H bond H. It's already here, only here.
Yeah, Mahua, I don't understand. Like here in the first part. Wait, can I draw on the screen?
Okay, take your time.
Yeah, here in this part, am I supposed to like calculate this one as 415?
Okay, C bond H is 415, but you wrote 436. Why?
Yeah, because like I don't understand what to do.
Okay, I'm going to start this question, okay? Everyone, attention with me, please. Mahmoud, I didn't see your answer.
No, mister. Please wait, I'm sending to you now.
Oh, that's okay. We will solve the question together. After that, I will give you another one.
Okay, mister, please 1 minute.
Guys, you have to count each bond in the question. Each bond. What does it mean? When you start to find energy in, you have to count every bond. Every bond. Start compound by compound. Finish the first one, then go to second one. Tarek, attention with me.
Can you please wait, mister?
Maybe imagine, that's okay. I received your paper. No, Yamazi. Imagine I need to see in details. Check here with me. Look what I will do here. You have to do exactly like me. يلا يا طارق.
Okay. Okay, mister, you can see it now.
Okay. In this question, what I will do here. Look, the first one or the first step I have to do.
Mister, can you check it?
Yeah, okay. I open it. Delta H. Delta H equal energy in into exo. I think there's a mistake. I think. Okay. Energy in minus energy out. Is it okay for everyone? Number 2, I have to write energy in. En, energy in. What is energy in? Energy in is the energy of the reactant. Energy of the reactant. What are the reactants? These are the reactants, okay? I will start with the first compound. I will start with the first compound. Start with C bond H. How many C bond H? 1, 2, C bond H 1, C bond H 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiply. What is the value of C bond H? C bond
415.
H 415. 6 multiply 415. In this compound, do you have any bond else in this compound? Check this compound. Do you have any bond else here? Yes.
Ye-
What you
yes.
have? C
We have
double bond C. C double bond C. So I will make
and also
line C double bond C. C double bond C. What is the value of C double bond C? 612. So plus 612. Plus. Do you have any bond in this compound? Yes. C bond C. C bond C. This bond. What is the value of C bond C? 346. So write 346. 346. Thus, in this compound, do you have any bond? Or I finished all bonds here? Do you have any bonds here? Or done?
yes plus H bond.
No. I'm talking about this one. This one done?
No.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Yes. Okay, that's done. Finished. Go to plus H bond H. What is the value of H bond H? 436. So right here, 436. 436 equal. First of all, finish the multiplication. What does it mean? In your calculator, write like this. 6 multiply 415. 6 multiply 415 equal. Plus 6110 plus 346 plus 436. The total is 3882.
No, 3792.
No, how come? Again, 6 multiply 415 plus 610 plus 346 plus H bond H is 436. So the total value is 3882. Yes, I'm correct.
No, I'm sorry.
Here, anyone have any issue here? Anyone have any question, have any problem in energy in? Guys.
No.
Okay. So what is the mistake you did, Tariq, here? What is the mistake you did?
I have done a little bit mistake. I don't have constraint about C the bond H. I'm only doing four bonds about the C bond C, and then multiply for 346 only.
No, you have to count. You have to start compound by compound. I started with the first compound. Bond by bond. C bond H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I write 6 multiply the value of C bond H. Okay. Now energy out. Energy out. What is energy out? Is the energy of the product. Who are the product? This is the product. This is the product. Start with the product. Okay. C bond H. How many? 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I write 8 times C bond H. What is the value of C bond H? 415. 415.
It will be 3320.
415. Step by step. Plus. Plus. In this compound, do you have any bond else? Do you have another bond? Yes, I have. C bond C
Multiply 2.
and the C bond C here. C bond C here and the C bond C here. So I have two bond. Multiply. What is the value of C bond C? 346. 346. What is the common mistake students doing in the exam? Finish this first, then finish this first, then add them together. So what does it mean? In my calculator, I will do it carefully. The first part, the first point I will do 8 multiply 415 equal
Total will be 4012.
3320 plus 2 multiply 346 equal 692. Attention in the calculation. Most of the mistakes on the calculations in the calculator. So step by step equal. Then add them together. 3320 plus 692 equal 401. 4012. This is energy out. So now I have to subtract energy in, which is 3882 minus energy out, which is 4012 equal
Minus 130.
minus 130 kJ. So this is exothermic reaction. Got it?
Yeah. Can you give us another question, please?
Yes, of course. Now here, anyone have any issue? Any point I need to repeat it for everyone? طيب. Done, everyone is clear?
That's right.
So I hope Mahmoud to see your answer because you didn't send your answer on the WhatsApp. Some of you they didn't send the answer on the WhatsApp. I need like this, Yamazin. Okay. Okay. I need steps like what I did here. Okay. This is a question. I need to see answer from everyone, please. Start to solve the question. Is it exo or endo? You have the value of each bond in this table, and this is the equation. Kindly, I need from everyone to send his answer on WhatsApp in details. I didn't need to tell me is it exo or endo only. No, I need steps. I need details.
خلصت يا مستر ببعتها.
Yes, it's okay. Okay, Roa, you send energy in the bond H 3 multiply 390 3 multiply 155, that's okay. Energy out 3 multiply 565. Roa, in energy out, you forget something. Check energy out again. Yeah, Roa, check your energy out again. You forgot a compound. Why? فين يا محمود? Yes. 3 multiply 390 plus 3 multiply. That's okay. Energy in, okay. Energy out 3 multiply 280. Then 3 multiply. Okay, Mahmoud. Very good. Yes. So I need to check calculations. But
Okay,
steps are correct.
Mr.
كده yeah, okay, okay. كده رؤى kindly repeat energy out. There is a problem in your energy out. Kauser, energy in 3 multiply 390, that's okay. 3 multiply 155, that's okay. Then you add them together. Energy out 3 multiply N bond F. So 3 multiply 280, okay. That's okay. Then you subtract. Okay, Kausar, your steps are correct, but I need to check the calculations. Tarek Hatim. Tarek Hatim. Energy in 3 multiply. That's okay. Energy out. Okay, Tarek, bravo, correct. Yes. Mazen. Energy in 3 multiply. Okay. Energy out. That's okay. Bravo. Excellent, Mazen. Ashraf. Okay, Ashraf, that's okay. Ahmed. Ahmed Ramadan.
Yes, sir, I sent it to you now. I was only doing this.
Next, yes. Yes, bravo. Energy out, yes, bravo. Fine, okay. Are you ready? So everyone kindly check with me your steps. I will start with the first one, Yarua. You must write data H. Don't write numbers only, because you wrote a number without, what is this? Data H equal energy in minus energy out. This is the first step. Now, energy in. Energy in. How I can find energy in? Energy in is the energy of the reactant. What are the reactants? Here the reactants. Start with the first compound. N bond H. N bond H. N bond H. So I have 3 N bond H. 3 multiply. What is the value of N bond H? 390. So 390 plus. Do you have anything here? No. Done. The first compound is done. Next one. F bond F. F bond F. F bond F. I have 3 bond. The value of F bond F 155. 155 equal. So what I have to do? I have to do it step by step. Why? Because most of mistakes came from calculators. Okay. So what you have to do here? 3 multiply 390 equal 1175. So right here 1170 plus 3 multiply 155 465 equal. Add them together. 465 plus 1170. 1635. 1635 kilojoule. Got it? Any problem here? Now, what should I do? Energy out, E out equal E out. E out, what does it mean? Energy of the product. Start with the first compound, N bond F. N bond F, N bond F, N bond F. So I have 3 bond. Multiply. What is the value of each bond? N bond F. 280. 280 plus H bond F, H bond F, H bond F. So I have 3 multiply. What is the value of H bond F? 565. 565. Again, step by step. Why? Because most of mistakes came from calculator. Most of mistakes came from calculator. So I will start to do multiplication with the first one. 3 multiply 280 equal 840 plus 3 multiply 565 equal 1695. 1695. Okay. Then add them together. 1695 plus 840. Total is 2535. Now energy in minus energy out. Energy in 1635 minus energy out 2535. 1635 minus 2535 equal negative 900 kilojoule. So this is exo or endo? Exothermic reaction. Got it?
Yes.
Everyone, kindly check your steps and compare what I did with what you did.
I'm completely correct.
Everyone, kindly check. Look to your paper. I checked your answers. Everyone is correct, but I need from you to compare now. Go to compare. Okay.
It's all correct for me.
Everyone, Kauthar, Mazen,
Yes, it's correct.
it's correct. That's okay.
It's
Now, yes. Anyone have any question? That's okay. Got it? Here, in this example, what you can see here. So now everyone can find the reaction X or N. Okay. In this example, a reaction between a reactant to produce a product. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, reactant combined together to produce a product. We said this reaction X or endo? Remember, X or
You said
endo?
Exothermic.
Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Sometimes the examiner asking me about something is called energy level diagram. What is this? What is this? Energy level diagram. How can you draw energy level diagram? It's very easy, very easy. You have to draw two axes here, vertical and horizontal axis, okay? Make two lines, line up and line down. Okay? The reaction exo or endo, we said the reaction exo. If the reaction exo, write the reactant at the top. So here I will write the reactant. What are the reactants? N triple bond H, so I write it here. N triple bond H, and here H, and here H. Plus what? F bond F, plus F bond F, and here F bond F, and here F bond F. So you just writing the reactant at the top. Down, what should I write? The product. So here I will write in if plus
Mr. حضرتك بتعمل ايه؟
what?
Mr. What are you doing now?
Energy level diagram. Energy level diagram. Okay. So energy level diagram, just I will draw diagram, write the reactant up, write the product down, and make arrow down like this. Okay. I will explain it again, but after this question. Another question. This is a question. Here I have I2. I prefer for me, instead of I2, make it I bond I plus Cl2. Instead of Cl2, make it as Cl
Cl
bond Cl. Mister, why should I draw the compound like this? It will be very easy for you when you start to calculate the energy in and energy out. Here is arrow. Two here.
Sometimes it's bring the equation.
What, Tariq? Yeah, actually your sound is lagging.
I mean, sometimes he will bring you like equation, not like this.
Yeah. So you have to convert from equation to bond.
Yeah.
So I wrote here two. ICL. So I will make it I bond Cl. Now it's very easy for you. I converted the equation to bond equation. Instead of I2, I make it I bond I. Cl2, I will make it Cl bond Cl. 2ICl, so it's 2I bond Cl. Kindly start to find, is it X or L?
Can we start solving now?
Yes, start solving your paper. Everyone start your paper.
Okay.
Okay, Mahmoud. Energy in 151 plus. It's very easy. It's simple. It's very simple, I think. Excellent, Mahmoud. Very good. Kausar. 1 multiply I bond I. Yes, that's okay. Cl bond Cl, that's okay. -2. Bravo, ya Kausar. So Kausar, Mahmoud, correct. Tariq Hatim, yes, I received it now.
Okay.
Yes, Tariq, that's okay. Bravo, correct. كده كوثر محمود طارق. Mazen. Where is Mazen? Bravo, yeah. Ashraf, it's correct. Ahmad Ramadan. Correct. Bravo. Abdullah. ازيك يا Abdullah? How are you?
تمام الحمد لله مستر.
كويس الحمد لله. -2. برافو يا Abdullah. صح correct. Mazen, where is your answer, Mazen? Where is your answer? Mazen. I'm sending. Okay. So as you know, everyone sent his answer is correct. So this is exothermic reaction because, as you know, after finding delta H, it was -200, -23 kilojoule. Okay. So this is exothermic reaction. So exothermic. Okay. Ahmed, yes. Do you have a question?
Yes. So can I write the word reactant instead of the reactants in the energy level diagram?
Ahmed, again, I cannot hear you.
Yeah. Can I write the word reactant instead of the reactants in the energy level diagram?
In the energy diagram, what you need to do?
Write the word reactant, not the reactants. The word reactant instead of the reactant.
Word equation, do you mean? Word equation?
No, the word reactants. R-E-A-C-T-A-N-T.
No. You have to write what are the reactants. You have to write the reactant specifically. Okay?
Yeah.
So instead of writing the reactant, write I2 plus Cl2. Mazen, I think you have a mistake. Mazen, open your mic, please. Mazen, open your mic.
Yes.
Okay. This is the reaction. Okay. Here you have I bond I. I bond I. Why you multiply it by 2? Do you have number here at the beginning here?
No.
So you have I bond I. It's individual. I bond I. Even here, Cl bond Cl. Why you multiply it by 2? Why? You have one bond, Cl bond Cl. You understood my point?
Yeah.
So I bond I. What is the value of I bond I?
151.
151. So why you multiply it by 2? Why? From where you get to? A plus. Cl bond Cl. How many Cl bond Cl? It's only one. It's individual. Cl bond Cl. So it's 242. 242. When you add them together, so what is the total here?
393.
393? 393. So this is energy in. Now, energy out. You have 2 here. That's okay. You have to multiply it by 2. So energy out, 2 multiply I bond Cl. You have only one bond. Multiply. What is the value of I bond Cl? 208. 208. So the answer is 416. Then subtract energy in minus energy out. It will give you -23. -23. Got it? Mazen?
Yeah.
So what is
Yeah.
the mistake? What is the mistake you did? Can you tell me?
I multiplied the I and Cl by 2.
Yes. So no need to multiply by 2. No need to multiply by 2 because you don't have any number here. And I bond I. It's only I bond I. From where you got 2. No need to multiply by 2. Okay? Got it all that? Clear?
Yeah.
So the reaction X or Endo?
Exo.
Exothermic. Yes, everyone agree with me? exothermic reaction. Now, what I should do, I need to draw energy level diagram. How can you draw energy level diagram? Make vertical line, horizontal line, small line here, and small line here. Difficult? Exo, we said exo. So what we should write up here? The reactant. Ahmed Ramadan told me I need to write reactant. No, you have to write the reactant itself. I2 plus Cl2. The reactant up, and down here is a product, 2ICl. Then we said exo, so make arrow down and write energy given out. Energy given out. So here, energy given out. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, if it is endothermic,
So opposite.
it will be upwards.
The opposite. Look, in the exothermic reaction, the reactant up and the product down. But in the endothermic, the reactant will be down and the product will be up. And the arrow, instead of go down, no, it will go up. So the opposite, the reverse is everything here.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Fine. Look, I need to ask a question. Bond breaking. If you need to break down the bond, in your point of view, is it exo or endothermic process? In your WhatsApp, in your chat box. Again, my question is, in the chemical reaction, if you need to break down the bond of the reactant, you need to break down the bond. This process is exo or endothermic process? Yeah, just use your mind. What do you think? You need to break down. If you need to break something, this is a process. What? Exo or endothermic process? لا يا مازن.
Mr. Hassan is in chat box.
Yes.
Me too, Mr.
Yes. Everyone is correct. Yeah. It's endothermic. If you need to break down the bond is endothermic process. You know why? Because you need energy. If you need to break the wall, if you need to break the glass, if you need to break the wood, if you need to break the stone, you need energy or not? You need energy. Yes? So this is endo, because you need energy. So it's endothermic. And here, bond forming, if there's a new bond will form. Bond forming. Bond forming. For example, here, if you have iodine, it will form bond with Cl. In your point of view, exo or endo? Exothermic, yes. When a new bond form, this is exothermic process. Always, to be clear for everyone, I'm just saying, it's like when two cars hit together, your car hitting with another car, it will release energy. It's exactly here. If you have iodine and you have chlorine, and a new bond will form between them, and a new bond will form between them. So this is exothermic reaction. Iodine, and I have chlorine. If iodine hitting chlorine to form a new bond, so this is exothermic process. So what is the summary if I need to say bond breaking is endothermic process, but bond forming is exothermic process. Exothermic process. Okay, so put both this in your mind. When you if you need to break the bond, so this is endothermic. If you need to produce a new bond, so this is exothermic. Now I'm going to share a question. Just need from everyone to use his mind. This question. Three, two, one. I need from everyone to solve number one, number two, and number three. Start. 1, 2, and 3.
Mister, can you go up?
No, start from here. H2O liquid converted to H2O gas. When liquid to convert to gas, the gas, what is the name of the process? Condensation, melting, evaporation, freezing. What is this? And here, from gas to liquid, what is this? Start in your chat box. Very easy, guys. What is this?
Can you go up, Mister? Ah, yeah, okay.
Guys, from liquid to gas, what is this? In the chat box, no need to WhatsApp. Evaporation, condensation, طيب exothermic. Excellent يا مازن, bravo. Excellent يا مازن, bravo Amin. Okay, Kausar, that's okay, bravo. Abdullah, yes. Ahmed. Oh, okay, now I'm going to solve the question. Here, from liquid to gas, it's very easy. Very easy. Evaporation. Evaporation. Boiling, that's okay, Barb. No problem. From liquid to gas. Number 2, from gas to liquid, condensation. Which one of the above change is exothermic? Exothermic means it releases energy. Release energy. Which one? Condensation. Because particles in gas state already have a lot of energy. So particles need to lose its energy to be liquid. But which one is endothermic? Endothermic.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. And you see here, you can see H2O liquid. It will take in energy from the sun to convert it from liquid to be a gas. So evaporation, endothermic. Why endo? Why endo? Because water need energy to evaporate. But condensation is exo. Why exo? Because here particles in gas state have a lot of energy. So particles need to lose its energy to be a liquid. Got it? Got it?
Yes, Mr.
Finally, I need to talk about the last part in our session today. It's called activation energy. For example, if I send to the group, our group on WhatsApp, there is a session, there is another session. For example, there is, imagine with me, there is another session after the session for 10 hours. 10 hours. What you will say? Session for 10 hours. 10 hours, direct. What you will say?
We say it's very tough.
What do you say? Guys, what do you say?
It will be very tough.
It will say, oh no, I don't have energy, mister. What's boring? I don't have energy. No energy. How come? How come? We started today from 3 p.m. in Saudi Arabia time, 2 p.m. Egyptian time, Kuwait time, 3 p.m. How come we take 10 hours later? How come? So much. We don't have energy. You know, this word means no energy for you. Exactly like reactant. If I ask sodium to react with water to form sodium hydroxide, if I come here and I say, sodium, how are you, sodium? Are you good? Are you fine? Yes, I'm good, alhamdulillah. Water, what about you? Yes, I'm fine. Excuse me, can you react together to produce NOH? Water and the sodium will say, no, actually, we don't have energy. Oh, I'm very lazy. No, very lazy element. I will say, never mind. I will give you a small amount of energy. Activation energy. Activation energy. Activation energy is the lowest amount of energy particles need to react. It's called what? Activation energy. Particles, reactant need activation energy to start reaction. Understood the meaning? Here, I'm going to share the exact definition from the syllabus. Ahmed, can you read this part?
Yes, okay. Define activation energy. EA as the minimal energy that colliding particles must have to react.
Have the react. Okay. So sometimes the examiner will ask you in paper for the question, define EA. Just the question. You will say, oh my God, what is this? What do you mean by EA? EA. Huh? Who can tell me? What does it mean? Ahmed, what does it mean, EA?
Mr. It means activation energy.
Yes, this one. EA means activation energy. Activation energy. Everyone in your chat books write the definition of activation energy. Copy from here, no problem for me. What is activation energy? I need to see answer from everyone here in your chat books. I need definition of activation energy. Ashraf, thank you. Mazen, yes. So Ashraf and Mazen. I need to the others. Tariq, bravo. So Ashraf, Mazen, and Tariq. Huh? Ahmed, yes.
Mister, if there is no energy, it means the minimum energy to be ability of reacting only.
No, look, activation energy mean it's the minimum energy. It's the minimum energy the particles need to react. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if I say, Tariq, can you go to Danube or Rifim or any market here in Saudi Arabia to buy something? You will say, no, I'm very lazy. I will say for you, no. Can you take this chocolate from me? After you eating this chocolate, you will say, oh, I feel I'm very good now. I can go. So this is the activation energy. The minimum energy you need to do something. For particles, the minimum energy the colliding particles must have to react. Okay? As you see here, Mahmoud, can you read this part? Mahmoud. Mahmoud, where's Mahmoud? طيب Tariq, can you read? Bond breaking is?
Yes, bond breaking is an endothermic process.
And the bond making is?
Exothermic process.
Exothermic process. Exothermic process. Okay, so here I have a lot of definitions today. Who can tell me? We talked about exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, and activation energy. And activation energy. Yes?
Yes.
Activation energy is the minimum energy you need, or the particles need to react. It's okay? Just a small, quick video. I need from everyone to check this video with me.
If oxygen and methane molecules are mixed together in the same container, they collide. But there is no reaction until a spark or flame is added. Why? To react, the molecules must collide with sufficient energy to break the oxygen-oxygen bonds and carbon-hydrogen bonds so new bonds can form. The additional energy needed to break existing bonds and start the reaction is called activation energy. An energy diagram can help show these energy changes. Initially, the oxygen and methane molecules collide but do not have sufficient energy to react. A flame can supply the activation energy needed to start the reaction. At this point, bonds break and new bonds form in an exothermic reaction that releases energy. The energy released supplies the activation energy for other molecules to react, and the mixture explodes. In the air, nitrogen and oxygen are continually colliding but lack sufficient energy to react. Heat from lightning supplies the activation energy to break bonds, and new bonds form in an endothermic reaction that absorbs energy.
It's okay? Got it? The meaning of activation energy. Activation energy. Okay? So here, this part, the activation energy. Particles will gain energy. At this point, they will start to react. Look. Look here, particles together. Now particles will start to gain energy. Look, gain energy. Oh my God. Oh, they start to react to form product. Got it? So activation energy is the minimum energy particles need to react. Got it? This is what I need to say about exo and endothermic reaction. Here a question in your chat box. Can I ask Mazen to read? Question B, Mazen.
Bond forming is exothermic. Bond breaking is endothermic. Explain the difference between exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction.
Okay, 2 mark. How many mark for the question?
2.
2 mark. What does it mean? When you write the definition of exothermic, you will get 1 mark. When you write the definition of endothermic, you will get 1 mark. So everyone start to write in your chat books. What does it mean, exothermic reaction? What does it mean, endothermic reaction? Start. Everyone start, please. I need definition. Mazen. لا يا مازن. No, I don't need this definition. Exothermic reaction is the energy which release thermal energy to the surrounding. Endothermic reaction is the energy which gain energy from the surrounding. If you need to gain 2 marks, you have to follow my instructions step by step.
Mr. Hassan.
Yeah, I got bravo, yes. So exothermic reaction, energy or reaction which release energy, which release thermal energy to surrounding. Endothermic reaction, energy which taken energy from surrounding. Taking energy from surrounding. That's okay?
مستر أنا لازم أقول thermal energy ولا energy بس؟
Look, if you say energy, can I ask you, you said energy, you need to say it produce energy to surrounding. Yes, you said that.
Oh.
How many kind of energy you have? Do you mean sound energy? Do you mean magnetic energy? Do you mean light energy? Do you mean electrical energy? So you have to be accurate. Don't say energy in general. To produce thermal energy.
Okay, تمام.
Because if your answer is it's a reaction which produce energy, anyone can ask you, oh, you said energy. So which kind of energy do you mean? Surrounding, sound, magnetic, light, electrical? No. I means thermal energy. So what is the summary of I need to say? You have to write thermal energy. Sometimes the examiner will cancel 1 mark from you. You know why? Because you didn't mention the word thermal. You have to be accurate in your answer.
صح يا مستر، هو غير thermal energy ايه هي الكيورد الثانية؟
It's the energy which release energy. It's the reaction which release energy to the surrounding.
اوكي
It's
تمام.
the energy which release reactant to surrounding. Okay.
اوكي.
So here he said what? Bond broken. You know bond broken what? Bond broken, what does it mean? It's the energy in. Energy in. So in this question, start to tell me this is exo or endo and draw energy level diagram. Is it exo or endo?
Mister,
And
we can find this exort endo after finding all the delta H, yes?
yeah, of course, yes. You must find delta H and check.
And also we must find as they draw the
Energy level diagram. You cannot draw energy level diagram without delta H.
yes, okay.
You start. Everyone start in your paper to find the answer of the question. If it exo or endo, then draw energy level diagram. If it's exothermic, so reactant must be up and reactant supposed to be down. If the reaction is endothermic, the opposite. So check. Okay, amazing. طيب 4 3 1 H bomb CL energy in 412 multiply 4 is K plus C bomb CL energy in. Okay, energy out 4 4 3 1 multiply 3. Why 4 3 1 multiply 3? H bomb CL 3 3 8. 4 يا مازن مازن يا
أيوة يا
مازن
مستر.
look energy out. Okay, you said 431 multiply 3. Why 431 multiply 3?
431.
Why 431 multiply 3? Do you have
412. 412 times 3.
yes 412? Yeah. So you have to change it, yeah?
Oh.
So attention, there's a big difference between H bond C and H bond Cl. Attention, okay? Ahmed Ramadan. 4 multiply 412. This is okay. Plus 242 multiply 1. Okay, energy in this okay. Energy out, ya Ahmed. 3 multiply 412 with 3 C bond Cl 338. That's okay. Plus H bond Cl عملتها 431. برافو يا احمد. Excellent. برافو عليك. That's okay. Yes, yes, I received it. Yeah. Kauthar, 4 multiply 412. That's okay. Plus Cl bond Cl is 242. That's okay. Energy in, okay, Kauthar. Energy out. 123 multiply 412 is okay. C bond Cl 338. H bond Cl 431. That's okay. Yeah, it's okay, Kauthar. Bravo. طارق حاتم. رؤى عبد الله, where is the answer? رؤى وعبد الله.
أنا بعته يا مستر.
طيب طارق حاتم. 4 multiply 412 plus 242. Energy out 3 412. That's okay. Plus 338 plus H bond Cl يا سيدي 431. اوكي برافو يا طارق برافو. اشرف.
The table is correct.
What?
The drawing is correct. My drawing.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Ashraf, 4 multiply 412 plus 242. You see bond H. Energy out. طيب. أشرف.
نعم مستر.
242 Cl bond Cl. You did it correct. Energy out 123 multiply 412 plus C bond Cl, which is 338 plus H bond Cl 431. That's correct. But I need from you energy review diagram.
Okay, ثواني بس.
Okay, Mahmoud, I think is not here. رؤى and Abdullah.
لسه بعت لي على الشات.
Chat, but we need to see the drawing. It's correct. Yeah, correct. Fine, I correct. رؤى, where is your answer? It's not here, I think. So this is what? This is delta H in Farabi change. So by this way, we finished this topic. Easy? What's your opinion about this topic? It's very easy.
Wait,
Chemical...
we finished the whole topic?
That's the whole topic, yeah. What's your opinion?
It's very easy, alhamdulillah.
Very easy, huh? Topic, complete topic. Chemical energetics. Just you have to know what does it mean, exo, endo, activation energy. How can you find the delta H? How can you draw energy level diagram? Energy level diagram. So this is the topic. We finished this topic. Got it? Any question? Any comment? Any question? Any comment? Ashraf, what's your opinion about the topic? Ashraf Sameh.
I think it was very easy. I think it's also pretty fun.
Yeah. Ahmed Ramadan, do you have any question? Ahmed.
No, thank you, sir. No,
Abdullah.
thank you.
Abdullah.
مستر كنزة.
Do you have any question, Abdullah? Because you joined Gate, I think.
أنا دخلت وكنتوا تحلوا سؤال اللي هو الأكتيفيشن إنرجي
Activation energy. Yeah. Do you have any question about delta H?
دلتا اتش نو.
Yes. I will send the record to the Telegram. So you have to check the video from the beginning. But you solved a lot of the question correct, I think. Yeah. Kausar, do you have any question?
No, not related to this topic, but where can I find the previous recording? Because I joined the Telegram.
Oh, okay.
So-
Mrs. Besma will arrange sessions for you, okay?
Okay.
Mrs. Besma, she will arrange this issue. طيب Mazen, okay, Tariq, do you have any question?
Mr. This means we have now finished this topic.
Yeah, it's easy, very easy to. Kausar, Mazen, who else here? Mazen, got it? Do you have any question?
No.
طيب
Mr.
Ashraf, yes, تفضل Ashraf. Yeah, what do you need?
In the energy chart, the graph, at the beginning, do you have to make a curve, a slight curve upwards, like a little bump, as in the activation energy?
Look, we will talk about activation energy later, inshallah, when we talk, inshallah, next topic about rate of the chemical reaction. Okay, but
Okay.
now in the energy diagram, you have to know if the reaction exo makes the reactant up and the product down.
Okay, so I don't have to draw a little bump or for the activation energy?
Inshallah, next session, I will say like that. Look, actually, it's related to the energy diagram. If I have reactant here, reactant will gain energy, activation energy. At this point, the reactant will start to react to give me the product. To give me what?
Product.
The product. So here is the reactant, and here is the product. So what about this part? This is the activation energy. This is the energy reactant must take in to react. We will talk about it in details, inshallah, in the rate of the chemical reaction. Next topic, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay?
Okay.
This is what you're asking about, or what? This is, or what?
Yes.
Okay. So what we have to do now, we will send the video to your Telegram, inshallah, homework to your WhatsApp number, WhatsApp group. Then you have to solve the homework and send it to me back. And inshallah, there will be session to solve the question about exo and endothermic reaction to cover all idea from the previous years.
Mr.
So yes, تفضل. Yes, Tar.
Is there is homework today on the
Yes, of course. I will send it now, inshallah, after the session directly.
okay, and there's one question I haven't solved in the paper on Monday. One question on.
Okay, I will because I was in Mecca, I will start to check everyone, the answer of everyone, and send my feedback for you, even the
thank
correct
you.
answer. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Welcome. Ahmed Ramadan, you raised your hand, I think.
I'm raising my hand. So, sir, in the second part of electrolysis, there is a part that you recorded, but you didn't download on Telegram. Can you upload it?
Okay, today, inshallah. That's okay.
Okay.
You are talking about electroplating?
Yeah, this part. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Anyone have any question? Any comment?
No, thank you for the class. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum.
عليكم
Salam ya shabab. Assalamu alaikum.